welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. I'm Mufidah, and let's just get straight right into it. I'm bringing you some hijab tutorials and I'm using the jersey fabric, but before that I'd like to give you guys some tips. You know how much I love to give out those free tips. It's all love. So I like to put my hair in a low bun, and I like to put it in a tunnel scarf to keep my locks secure. So I'm just gonna go straight into the first style. I like to put the scarf over my head, and then I put one side really long and the other side super short, and then I frame it according to my face, be it that I tuck the sides in by my ears, if you notice that, and I pull the longer side over my head, and I tuck the shorter side into my shirt. And you can just leave it hanging, or you can throw it over your shoulder to make it more sleek. To the second style, I like to have another shorter side and a longer side, and then I frame it according to the shape of my face, and I'm gonna go in with one safety pin to secure it, and I just wrap it around my neck, and again I put the shorter side into my shirt. You can leave it hanging, or you can just put it over your shoulder. You realize that this provides like much more coverage than the other one. I really love this style, and you realize that all the Instagram hijabis really love the style as well. Moving on to the third style, this is like very appropriate for everyday wear. I just frame the scarf according to my face again, and I wrap it around my neck, and I leave the sides or the ends hanging, and this is super easy. You don't need any special skill to wear this kind of hijab. And yeah, moving on to the fourth style. This one does not involve any pins at all. I just put the scarf over my head, and I literally just throw one end over my shoulder, and that's it. This is what I do when I'm going out and I'm super late. I just do this. I know you guys have been seeing this particular black scarf in all my videos. I've been abusing it. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also like this video. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you and stay blessed.